Wish list?
Up here at the Home Depot. Still looking for the elusive pack-out modular systems. Looks like there's no luck today either. But something I've not been able to get that I see over there on the shelf is coming home with Daddy. Here at Home Depot up in Seattle. That's a pretty good deal on that Dremel there. 50 bucks off. Half price. 25-foot DeWalt tape measure. There's a good Bosch spade bit set. Under 20 bucks. Lots of DeWalt batteries. All kinds of Husky bags. Here's some Ryobi stuff, drill bits, drill and driving kits. Not a bad little deal on some straps, medium duty, $8.88. Multi-tool attachments, under 30 bucks. Rigid. Some Milwaukee stuff. Some Makita stuff. It's an 18-volt brushless driver right there for 99 bucks. If you're into Makita, that's not too bad. I've always been a DeWalt person, but I'm changing over to Milwaukee now, slowly. I mean, there's no sense to throw away or get rid of your DeWalts just because you want to change over, but as they become useless or worn out or stuff, I'll change over to probably Milwaukee. I found that to be the best. Or as I move toward brushless. Here's some spanners. Little socket set. Bigger socket set. Mechanics tool set, whatever. 109 bucks. 60 bucks off. Here you go. Here's another mechanics tool set. As you can see, there's something here for everybody. But what I've come for today is just around the corner here. It's not bad, $9.88 for those. You get a free power tool, depending on what you buy. I'm not going to go over all the details. As you can see it there. You've seen this online, I'm sure. Now, for the real reason I'm here, something I've been looking for. It's going to be this baby right around the corner. Right there. Right there. $99 bucks. Let's talk about this. This is the new pack out modular. It's M12 fuel. It's brushless. And I believe it's got a battery or two in there. And it's 99 bucks along with a charger. I've been waiting for this baby. Kind of a more handheld drill or impact driver. Since I plan on getting eventually, although I can't find it available now, the Milwaukee pack out system, I won't have to buy this one. Look at this. You get a M12 battery, a charger, the pack out case, and this 1/4 inch with the red lithium. It's the newest version. It's the impact driver, hex head impact driver 1/4 inch. I've been waiting to get this. Haven't been able to find it. Showed it not available at my Home Depot, but I come up here and give the guy the number anyway, and he said, we've got 12 of them in stock. I couldn't believe it. That one's going home with me. Still love these Milwaukee toolboxes. If they was a foot longer, I might have to think about it. It's just not quite long enough, and I just bought one. But I'd love to have one if it was a foot longer. Lots of goodies here. Lots of goodies over there. So like I said, I picked up this thing, got it back home now. Went ahead and grabbed this 50-piece drill driver set from Milwaukee to work with this, although I have other things that would work. I'm looking forward to getting the pack out system eventually, so this will fit right on there, and I won't have to buy one of these now. So this set was on sale for, I think, 17 bucks. Looks like it's got a case in there too. Yeah, it does. It folds right up. But let's get over to this baby here. This is what I'm looking forward to. Yeah. See, these pack out systems even got a little lock modular. These fit down inside the pack out systems. This is what releases it. Get rid of some of this clutter. Broke my little tiny gimbal. Don't have anybody home to help me right now. So as you can see, we're trying to get it done. Well, those are sturdy. Wow. That's cool. Good job, Milwaukee. And down here, I know these are waterproof, dustproof, some sort of high grade or something like that. I forget what it is. And when you have the compartments in here, this one don't have the compartments because it's got the drill, but you can get them and add to this if you want to. This lid here keeps them, whatever's in this compartment, from getting to this compartment or this compartment. Kind of like a seal in there. Oh yeah, I'm liking this. Look at that. It's got an LED light. Wow. As you can see, the battery's only half charged with it just come out. It's got a little clip for your belt. Not a big battery, but they claim these things have got a lot of torque for their size. really good. I did a lot of research on this particular one. That's pretty good. Oh yeah, and there's 2 levels. Nice. Good job, Milwaukee. Nice impact driver. Then of course it looks like you've got your little charger. I may have to, I've got a couple of M12 items coming up here that I'll do a review on after Christmas. I might have to get this battery charger Milwaukee has. It's got like 4 of these chargers in it. I forget what it's called. It's a multi-charger. But then if you do that, should you do that, or should you get the ones that also can charge the M18 batteries in case I ever buy like a mid-sized torque? Hard to know. Hard to know. That's a nice. And then of course you've got your goodies here. Instruction manuals and stuff. And this can come out. So, I am excited to get this and start using this, and I guess I can honestly say this is my first physical one that I've owned. I've used other people's before. A cordless power tool from Milwaukee, and I'm looking forward to several more. I'm going to start into this line. Hey, that's all I got for you today, guys. Everybody take care and have a happy holiday.